In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar link on your Honda Accord. This will be located behind the rear wheel. Let's get started. 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a pair of locking pliers, we're going to hold the back collar. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove the nut for the sway bar link. I'm going to do the same thing on the top nut. Remove the sway bar link, remove the nuts off of the studs, and install the sway bar link into the bracket and the bar. Get the nuts started. Use a 14mm wrench to hold the sway bar link stud, and use a 15mm socket to snug down the nut. Do the same thing on the top. Torque the sway bar link to the bar to 28 foot-pounds. Torque the sway bar link to the bracket to 29 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on these, do the best you can. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug the nuts down. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 80 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.